One more question. This is very very simple question for you. When somebody asking you, "Hey, Mr. Fahmi, what for you learn that language? I mean, what for you learn idiom, word, phrase, or American accent or British accent, or but unfortunately English? What for learn English? Because you are living in Asia. Unfortunately, Aceh, those people do not use English or bahasa. Those people use Acehese language just only. But why you learn English? This is useful for yourself, or maybe this important for you. What your statement or your reasonable thought, man? Give me a reason, because I myself always invite a lot of friends, a lot of people who want to English learn at the time, but they are still thinking, because English is not important anymore, because I'm not going to bored. About this. Even though this Asian corporation like Myanmar, Vietnam, Chinese, Japan, Malay, Singapore, but without English nothing, right? But give me a reason, very very simple reason. One, somebody asked that, what will you do? What the answer is? Please me a reason.
Okay, thank you for your important question. That
Yeah.
According
Thank you, man.
to according to experts
Yeah.
across the world, also doing research about this, what people learn English. Experts say that people who want to learn English because it's their hobby.
Yeah,
Number one is
exactly. Hobby.
No one can deny or stop someone
Yeah.
to learn English, because it's
Judge
hobby.
someone,
It's
judge
hobby,
someone, I
and
mean.
it's not no judgment in there.
Yeah.
Because hobby is the reason people want to learn English nowadays. And second is I learn English so much because English has a lot of vocabulary and also phrases that everyone can express their ideas and opinions in a lot of different ways. That's why I learn idioms, and also that's why whenever I can say something, express my idea, I can say it the other way around. Okay.
That's
Then,
what I want.
the third is people and me love to learn English because English will be used as an international language and also worldwide.
Cross the world.
People who want to do business use mostly in English, and also people who want to
Got scholarship, got the job,
scholarship and
occupation is important for the viewer, right?
an application in English.
Yeah.
If you want to go in international forum
Yeah.
and conferences, it's use English. I think that's all for me.
Yeah. Thank you, my man. So far.